Okay, we're going to start the cinnamon rolls. And I've got 1.5 cups of flour and 1/4 cup sugar. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For our yeast mixture, the equivalent of 1 packet of yeast in 1/2 cup of warm milk. Okay, for my cinnamon roll filling, we have 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And 1 egg. And this is the yeast and milk mixture. It also says to add more if necessary. So it's still too loose. Okay. That should do it. Okay, rolling out my dough now. Okay. So we'll use the spoon to spread it out. Ooh, looking good. Okay. And I've mixed up the brown sugar and cinnamon, and now we just want to sprinkle this as evenly as possible. Okay, now we're going to roll this up, and I think I want to roll it up this way. Cool. And they say to trim the ends and toss them, but I'm not doing that. Okay. Trick I learned from somebody is to use dental floss. one. You're supposed to cut them into 8, but I've got this square pan, not a round one, so it's going to be 9. And so we're going to do 3. Okay. Now we'll just cover these up and let them rise for it. Okay, to make the icing we're going to use 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla. Two tablespoons of milk. Cup of icing sugar. Okay. That ought to do it. So that we can just cut the tip off and spread it all over the cinnamon rolls. This is our little pouch that we've created for the cinnamon roll to be able to spread it. Sorry, for the icing for the cinnamon rolls, to be able to spread it on them. So we just will trim the tip and spread it when it's ready. Our cinnamon rolls are ready to go in the oven. And my cinnamon rolls are finished baking and they're cooling off. Okay, now we add the luscious icing. Ooh, I cut that pretty thick. That's it. Now they have cooled, they're slightly warm. The icing may flow a little bit, and maybe not. Thank you. That's our video for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.